Ooh.
Well, he's going to Olympia to pick up supplies today already.
Oh yeah.
This spot right back here.
Shows it.
Yeah, it worked me out. I think I'm done doing cars.
Ooh, shiny.
Those wheels when they come off, they look sweet on you guys.
They're kind of cool when the sparkly's all
Yeah,
purple.
that's what I was saying. Look up right up here, like that, showing up really well.
Toolbox charger update. Look at this thing. It's amazing. A little different. Man, look at the top body line. It's amazing. I love it. Now, as you can see, the car's covered in dust and it still needs to be buffed. So it's not exactly a mirror finish, but it's pretty awesome. If you start looking really closely, you'll find some dings and miss spots and flaws. So just don't do that. Yeah, it's just way too good. The trunk was the straightest panel on the car, and it shows. The hood was like destroyed, and look at it now. This fender was the worst panel on the car, and it still is, but it's pretty darn good. Actually, this front edge of the door is kind of the worst thing on the car. Really hard spot to fix. That's okay. Don't mind the hood line. These hinges are goofy. I only just noticed it matches the second gen really closely. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but there's blue flake in the clear coat. It's really cool. Looks kind of purple. So there you go. It's painted, it's restored, car's done. Oh, no, it's not. For one thing, it doesn't even have friggin' brake drums. There's overspray everywhere, so that'll be fun to fix. There's nothing in here, so that's good. Every piece of rubber on the car is roasted. Oh yeah, I made a rag joint out of zip ties. There's nothing in here. So, yeah. Missing some stuff here too. Oh, it's gonna be really funny when I spray paint over all this hard work under there. Yep. Well, it's painted. Good enough. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to park this thing next to that thing. For one thing, it's gonna have the same torque thrust 2 wheels. That's cool. Deep dish pizza. Thin crust. All right, it's not that thin. In fact, that's probably what mine needs to have. Here's the engine for the Toolbox charger. It's nowhere near ready. In fact, I haven't even started. So yeah. At least it's finally, in the shop instead of out back behind the old one getting filled with rainwater. There's some charger pieces. And there are more charger pieces here. Now all I have to do is put it all together. Yeah, easy, right? Little victories though. It looks amazing. Or at least pretty darn good. It's a nice canvas to start bolting pieces onto, so I'm kind of excited to do that. This thing turned around in a month and a half. Very impressed by that. And again, it's not a perfect job, but there's kind of no such thing. Well, next time we'll dig into the engine and see if we can't get that happening. Thanks for watching. And remember, pizza tastes better when it's free. Well, that's not a bad view.